Hey folks, welcome to Drive Across Texas. I am Pat Waters. Today we're in Rockdale, Texas in Milam County. Talking with Miss Jerry Burnett. How are you, Jerry?
I'm great, thanks.
Thank you so much for meeting us, and we're discussing the historic K Theater. Jerry, I know that you were very instrumental. I know this thing sat vacant for like 40 years, and you were very instrumental in bringing this thing back to its original state. So if you wouldn't mind, would you tell the viewers about exactly what you've done with the K Theater and what it means to you?
Well, I'm actually not even on the K Theater board. I'm a member of the Milam County Historical Commission, but my husband's the chairman, and so I work closely with him. And it was a large group of people who got together when they saw this place falling apart and decided that they wanted to save it because they had great memories about, being in this building. And so over the years, they decided they would try to raise money, and through grants and donations and in-kind work, people worked together, and the Nowak family at that time donated the building and the land. And after that, it just kind of took off. Every year, we have a 5K run that helps with the donations and funding. The place is rented out to schools and to the community. We're getting ready to have a wedding here tomorrow, I guess it is. Anyway, but the feeling is that this is a place that's worth saving. It had a lot of memories, and as we were writing the historical marker, we interviewed people, and they talked about coming here when they were a child and saving their money to come and coming with brothers and sisters and friends and riding their bikes. But the people in the community have worked really hard trying to make sure over a period of time with the facade and then the inside, making it what it is today. And it's a community place.
You know, you mentioned something off air a while ago that really piqued my interest and kind of gave me a fuzzy, warm feeling. And you said like 3 years ago that y'all honored some of the people that have passed on. And what did y'all do to honor them? We
had a movie, and it was the original movie, Rolling Home, a cowboy movie, and it was kind of heartwarming. When you think of the movies today, it's a little bit different.
Now that was the very first movie that was played in this theater, right?
In 1947.
At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. When you try to replicate and rebuild these things, the reason you do it is because there's people in the community that remember this facility when they were kids.
That's right.
So you're bringing back great memories, and I'm sure you're opening a plethora of memories for those people. And like I said, I want to commend you guys for that, for a job well done, and continued success.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You bet. Bob, thank you, sir. I know you're over there off the corner. I know we've got something in common, Bob. Me and you. You don't realize this, but we both overmarried. Y'all remember now, that baby's coming from a Texan. Adios.